The new update is here. Update 1.6, also known as sound effects update for my YouTube channel NickFamzi, is really out. Yes, from the name itself, it is about sound effects. Well, my videos have sound effects, but what's the point? I'm here to break the curse for adding more new sound effects instead of just repeating the same sound effects I keep playing in videos. Here is the changelog. More new sound effects used by YouTubers will now be heard in my future videos. Not all the time sound effects will be present in videos, and that is only my changelog. That is the very shortest changelog of a NickFamzi YouTube channel update. My friend 30 Smile joked that I made update 1.6 because my current subscribers count is 1.63k, which is 1,630 plus subscribers. Basically, 1,630 subscribers. Apparently, this new update was leaked by one of my workers. It was just 2 days ago when he posted this in my community post. And he was using my account, my YouTube channel NickFamzi. And it is this man, Nicky. I was supposed to fire him, but he is saved now. Eggy party players can now celebrate. Indeed, not all the time my videos will have sound effects. Sometimes there are new ones, sometimes there are not. But rest assured, more new sound effects are on their way.